topic for today, which is Guillain-Barré syndrome. So a simple definition for this. So what is Guillain-Barré syndrome? It is an acute inflammatory polyradiculoneuropathy. Okay, so just one sentence and that gives you the definition of Guillain-Barré syndrome. It is an acute inflammatory polyradiculoneuropathy. Okay, and it is the most common cause of acute flaccid paralysis, right? So just say 2 points and you have already put the entire information very correctly and aptly into 2 sentences. Okay. Now moving forward, the etiopathogenesis. Okay. So you can also draw this very easy to make a neuron diagram in your answer sheets also. So this is a neuron which has a cell body and this is the axon. Okay. Now we all know that the Schwann cell, it causes the myelination of the axon. Okay. And there are certain junctions in between where the myelin is not present. They are called the nodes of Ranvier. Okay. Now, what happens in patients with GBS? That there is an immune-mediated attack. Okay. Now, this attack can happen either at the Schwann cell. Now, if the attack is at the level of Schwann cell, what will happen? The myelin will get damaged. As a result, what will happen? It will lead to a demyelinating polyneuropathy. So it makes sense. So the immune-mediated attack can be at the level of Schwann cell. And if the attack is at the Schwann cell, the myelin production will get hampered and you will have a demyelinating polyneuropathy. Okay. However, if the attack happens at the node of Ranvier, then what will happen? At the node of Ranvier, you do not have any myelin. You have the axon. So the damage is going to be directly to the level of axon. And what will you have? You will have an axonal polyneuropathy. Okay. So this is like a very basic and a fundamental. And just by drawing this one diagram and by just putting these 2-3 points, you can decipher the entire information. Okay.